In the last couple of years, I've published 2 books. My goodness me, I work very hard and that keeps me busy.
I'm really passionate about enabling people to seek their potential, but particularly in science and engineering.
I've been fostering now for nearly 9 years and I'm really proud of all the foster children who come through my door.
My sister-in-law really inspired me to start fundraising, and if it wasn't for her we wouldn't have raised this £1 million, which is fantastic.